Today's video is about quadratic equations part 1, which is useful for SBI PO Prelims 2026. Okay, this is the second topic of the SBI PO 2026 Prelims. I've already completed approximation. Those who are interested, try to watch the approximation series, which are in 4 parts. And this second topic is the quadratic equation. In this also I covered almost 54 to 56 questions, wherein I will cover 15 questions in each part. So the quadratic equation also you will get to see in 4 parts. Okay, and today is the part 1. Okay, this is also the important and easy and scoring topic. Okay, in less time we can, with good practice, without pen and paper, or maximum with one step, we can score the quadratic equation. So this is the second topic I choose. First is the approximation, second is the quadratic equations. You can expect 2 to 3 questions in the preliminary exam. So hope it is useful for you. These are the previous year's questions. So in this video I did 15 questions. Okay, so before solving the questions in my way, I will try to give a little bit introduction about quadratic equation, because approximation, even though speed max and percentages are not perfect, we can do it in simpler calculations. But quadratic equations entire, it will be of a shortcut. Okay, I will not do in a traditional way, because I need to solve quadratic equation in 10 to 15 seconds, and few tricks are there wherein, out of 3 to, in general we will expect 3 to 5. Now in SBI only 30 questions, so I don't know. In general, in 35 marks paper, if they give any approximation or simplification, either any of that or number series, we can expect 5 quadratic equation, like in RRBP or clerk. In that, at least one or two questions within 2 seconds we can, based on trick, we can answer. So that's why, not like by heart or whatever it is. To make you understand, I will give little bit of introduction. Okay, so I will share my notes. Sorry. So these are the notes. I will try to keep in short, or actually previously I kept this short. I don't know how many of you have watched. Again, I will keep and link to this video, and I will also upload in the Telegram channel. Okay, so these are very, very important. Okay, it will make you answer in very less time. Believe me, apply these rules. Okay, simple only. Generally don't, at least especially who are writing for the first time, if they see these equations, suddenly they will think that is a difficult topic. But quadratic equation, especially preliminary level, very easy and high scoring topic in less time. Okay, so first is the factors roots. Okay, see, these are the factors, the minus whatever the questions they will give. Now what roots will come? Okay, if we solve in traditional way, it will take time. So what we need to learn is, if we get question like in factors 2 positive, the answer or roots we will get both negative, plus or minus. Okay, try to remember this 4 rules, I can say, or 4 important tips. Like if factors are 2 positive, negative roots will be both negative. Plus and minus means we'll get minus and plus. Minus means plus or minus. Okay, minus plus means both positives. Mostly we will get to see these two. Okay, both positive and both negative in most of the questions. Okay, so if you are unable to remember, like, sometimes always remember that first negative always positive. Okay, means whatever it is, like first negative always end up in positive, first negative, and second positive always positive. Okay, in different signs, provided for example these two are different signs. Okay, now here second positive always positive. Okay, in that way, if you don't remember this, try to remember or by heart in whatever way you can. Okay, second is the question. Now see, some rules are there. For example, now see, here minus is there, plus is there. In the same way, if you find x and y in these signs, like x plus or minus or y minus and minus, it will be always end up with cannot be determined. CBD means cannot be determined. Okay, none of this type. We can't say which is less, which is more, or which is equal. Cannot be determined. So try to remember this signs. Okay, if these signs you see, you no need to keep pen and paper. Directly you can, when we practice, you will get to know. Okay, try to remember these tricks. Okay, cannot be determined. And here if 3 times positive, like in a 7 shape. Okay, you will get mostly x is less than y or equal to y sometimes. So this okay 90%, but option elimination undi kabatti you need to solve, but for basic idea, okay, to solve fastly. And if it is in a reverse L shape, whatever you can say, x is greater than or equal to a. Okay, now here x plus or minus y, always x is greater than y or x greater than y. Okay, means if you solve in traditional way or if you end up with these signs, you will get this answer. Okay, especially two signs positive again negative, you will get to know when we have practice questions. And this is very important. Okay, square root and square, when root in this way, if it is square, when it goes to root, then you will get positive or minus. Okay, square means you will get always positive, but if it is here, root of x, if it goes here, you will get either plus or minus. So here that is the symbol. Okay, if root goes there, you will get both plus and minus roots, but cube only positive. Okay, for example, x cube equal to 8, you will get only x equal to plus 2, no minus 2. But if you say x square equal to 16, then you will get plus or minus 4. Okay, this is the meaning of this. If root will goes, both signs will come. If cube is there, always positive. Okay, then try to remember that if the value is already in root, already root unte, as I said previously, it will be already positive. If it goes square goes there, means plus or minus. Okay, here try to remember these signs. Okay, for initially it will take time, but as you practice questions based applying this, it will be easy for you. Believe me, even 5 questions also you will solve in less than 2 minutes. Okay, now another important, based on just by seeing on screen you can answer. Okay, enti ante, if these are the constant values, now x square minus x, and these are constant value. When you see both constant values in negative form and negative negative sign, blindly keep CBD, cannot be determined. Okay, no need to solve, no need to take roots. Okay, if you see negative of both constant value, then it will be cannot be determined, 100% it will apply. Okay, there is nothing like again a great or less or equal, 100% it will be cannot be determined if both constant has, irrespective of these two signs. Okay, only try to see the constant value, both are negative, keep the answer as cannot be determined. Okay, don't mind these two signs. But in second case, this constant should be both positive, that is the first thing. Okay, both constant like x and y constant should be positive, and whichever value has a negative, not both positive, not both negatives. If it is opposite signs, whoever has minus sign, that number will be greater. Okay, this is also 100% true. Like in this case, now both constants are positive value, here y has negative, so y greater than x. If y has positive sign, x is negative, means x greater than y. This will work out 100%, cannot be determined. Okay, this greater than, whoever has negative sign. Definitely believe me, out of 5 questions you will get to see at least these 2 questions. 100% you will find, like one cannot be determined and one remaining also mostly 1 or 2 steps you can solve. That is hardly it will take 30-40 seconds per question, but if you practice enough you can solve in 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, if roots are in square, root form, then it will take some time, but that will also will discuss in later parts. But now I will take the, try to remember these tricks. Okay, now I will solve the last year, like last 8 years I have took 15 questions in part 1. Now I will solve along with you. Okay, after that also I will solve in my way, like how I will do in exam or how I will practice, when practicing quadratic equations. Okay, now so first I will take the x1. Okay, when directly, when you see on the screen, again don't write this on paper, directly take 3. Now see, minus plus means definitely you will get values in positive, that you have to remember it, first thing. Then again take 3. Okay, again 24. Okay, I will do like this only, and I have a more than, maximum I will keep right answers only. 90% accuracy will be there, because అంత ఈజీ టాపిక్ కాబట్టి యూ విల్ ఆల్సో ఇనిషియల్లీ ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ టైమ్ ఆర్ if you make any silly mistakes also, you will end up with 100% accuracy. Okay, don't skip quadratic equations. Okay, now 3 here 24. 3 means always take the simpler values like multiples, you can say LCM factors, whatever factors you will take, first try to take simpler terms. Now 3 means 1 3 is 3. Okay, now 24 means I will get 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24. Okay, possible factors. Now what factors I have to take means whatever the factors I write. For example, I will take 4 6s are 24. Okay, 3 8 I will not go, 4 6. This automatically when you practice you will get to know why only 4 6, why you are not taking 2 12s or 3 8s, only taking 4 and 6 means, you know, when try to remember that if roots are of same signs, you need to add these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers and these two numbers, that is 1 2. First number first digit, second digit, second number first digit, second digit. So you need to get this middle number. When you add these two and these two, you need to get this number. Okay, means when you multiply like 3 4s 12 and 1 6 is 6. Okay, 18. Okay, in this way you need to get the middle number. Okay, if you write 3 and 8, okay, it will be 3 3s are 9, again 8 1s are 8, 3 plus 8 11. Okay, so what factors you need to take means first remember that you have to take simpler terms. Then second condition is that whatever you multiply the second digit with the first digit of the second number with the again itla 2 anamata I'm showing in. Okay, so if starting it will take this time, but again with practice you will get to know. Just remember that these two you have to add only when signs are same. Okay, like both positive both negative. When opposite signs are there, you need to subtract. Only target is you need to get the middle number. Okay, take in that way. Now 3 1 3 4 6 I will be getting 18. So what roots you will get means positive, you know, first what you have to write means first number of first digit, second number of first digit, you need to write in a fraction form. Now like this, now 1 4 kada, 4 by 1 means 4, 24 now idante 6 3. While adding, you need to add these two multiply numbers and then add whole. But when you're writing in a root form, try to take the second digit first number by first number first digit and then like that. Okay, now 3 2s. Okay, this when I'm showing I'm solving, but in my brain only I will do, and directly you need to take. Okay, plus 4 and plus 2. Okay, these are the signs. Okay, because minus plus kada both roots will be positive. In the same way I will take y number 1 5 125. Okay, 125 means what are the factors in general? 25 5s are 125. So already 5 is there. No, here I will write 5 into 25. Okay, now 5 5 is 25, 125 is a 125, so 50. I'm getting 50. So again plus 5, here plus 25 by 5, and here also again plus 5. So these are the factors. Now plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5. So both are greater than this. So x is less than y. This is the answer. Okay, generally when I'm explaining I'm taking this many steps and telling. In general only with one step. Okay, when I take these factors, x only one step, y only one step, and I will answer the question. Okay, so in next questions I will not tell in this detailed form, but I will do answers in the same way. Since it is the first question, I'm explaining this much. Okay, now second one is, see, now here see mostly we will see these factors only. You know, generally we will for in square form we will see numbers. Maybe in clerk like RRB clerk or normal clerk we will get to see 1 2 or 2 questions directly, you know, without not this much numbers. Okay, now here minus plus means both positive vastundi. 33 means 11 3s are 33, 11 plus 3 14. So factors will be plus 11 plus 3. Next here 20 99, obviously 11 9s are 99, 11 plus 9 20. So plus 11 plus 9. So here see 11 is equal and greater, but 3 is less than, so cannot be determined. Okay, I hope you are understanding, because 11 is equal to this but greater than this, 3 is less than this and less than this. Okay, so cannot be determined will be the answer. Okay, because here 9 will be greater than 3 kada, here 1 greater, here 1 greater, so cannot be determined. Next, positive signs means both negative symbols. Now 4 means 1 4 9 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12, 12 plus 3 15 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి 2 2 తీసుకుంటాను. 2 3 6, 2 3 6 అగైన్ పోతుంది కాబట్టి 4 1 తీసుకుంటా. 3 1 3, 3 4 12, ఇక్కడ కూడా పోతుంది. సో వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ ఈస్ అగైన్ హియర్ ఐ విల్ నాట్ చేంజ్, హియర్ ఐ విల్ చేంజ్ అనమాట. ఓకే, సో ఇట్లా పాసిబిలిటీస్ చూసుకోండి. 4 1 4, 9 ఆల్సో ఐ విల్ టేక్ 1 9 బికాస్ 9 + 4 13 కాబట్టి, బికాస్ హియర్ 3 3 నాట్ వర్కింగ్ కాబట్టి 4 1 4, 9 4 plus 13. Okay, so what are the factors which will be 1 minus 1 minus 9/4. Okay, if you can keep it in this way you can keep, otherwise again ఇట్లా డెసిమల్లో రాసుకోవచ్చు బేస్డ్ ఆన్ అదర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. అవి కూడా ఫ్రాక్షన్లో వస్తే దెన్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ అనమాట. అగైన్ 1 4 25, 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, అగైన్ 25 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి నో ఛాన్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 2 2 పెడదాం. ఓకే, 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10, 20 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో 20, సో మైనస్ 5/2, 5/2 అంటే మైనస్ 2.5. ఇఫ్ ఐ టేక్ డెసిమల్ 4 2s 8, 1 4 2s are like 2.25. సో -1 minus 2.25, here minus 255. So both are greater. So x is greater than y because -1. You know, minus symbols are very important. Minus means if more the less number, the greater it will be. So -1 and minus 2.25 is greater than minus 2.5. Okay, now see here both are positive signs and whichever is having negative, that will be of greater. So x is greater than y. No need to solve. Okay, if you want proof ante okvela meek first question kabatti directly take minus plus means both are positive symbols. 7 8 is 56, 7 plus 8 15, so plus 7 plus 8. 72 means both are positive means under roots మొత్తం negative. Okay, 72 means 8 9 is 72. Okay, because 8 plus 9 కూడా 17. See, plus 7 plus 8 greater than -8 minus 9. Okay, so these are the, so but no need to take the roots and again decide the answer directly. When constants are both positive, whichever the symbol, I mean whichever the factor has negative, that will be greater. Next, x square 250 means x equal to plus or minus 16 because 256 is the square of square root of square of 16. Okay, next, positive both positive means roots minus 17 అంటే 117 is 17, 17 1 is 17, 1 plus 17 equal to 18. So -1 minus 17. Okay, so here also it is cannot be determined because if it is plus 16 is greater than -1 and minus 17, but minus 16 means ఇది గ్రేటరే వస్తుంది కదా. ఓకే, అచ్చా ఇది మైనస్ అగే ఉంది కదా. ఓకే, y is -1 minus 17. Okay, so if it is minus 16, -1 will be greater since it is, so cannot be determined. Okay, I hope you are getting. Okay, next 3 1 3 20 4 5 is 20. Now both are positive కాబట్టి minus factors. So 3 4s are 12, మన ఇట్లా రాదు కాబట్టి 5 4, 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19 కాబట్టి -5 minus 4/3. నెక్స్ట్ 6 అంటే 2 3 6. ఆల్వేస్ టేక్ ఫస్ట్ ట్రై టు టేక్ లెస్ వాల్యూ. విత్ ప్రాక్టీస్ యూ విల్ ఆటోమేటికలీ విల్ నో విచ్ నెంబర్ టు రైట్. యూ నో ఐఎమ్ సాల్వింగ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆల్ కాబట్టి నేను కూడా 3 3 is 9 10 19. ఓకే, -3/2 అంటే 1.5, 5/3 -5/3. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఇన్ డెసిమల్ ఫామ్ ఇది -1.1333 కదా, 3 1s 3 అంతే. ఇది -1.5 -3.2 అంటే 3 6 are 18, 1.5 1.6 1.5 1 ఇది. సో అగైన్ కెనాట్ బి డిటర్మైన్డ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 16 and 6. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 16 ఈజ్ ది 4 4 16. 16 వచ్చేసరికి 2 3s are 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 18 8 plus 12 20. Okay, so both positive ante minus signs, minus 2 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Next 10, 2 5 10 24 3 4 3 5 is 15 plus 4 కానీ 38 వచ్చిందా? సో నో 4 సరే 3 4s అంటే ఏంటి 3 8s కదా, 3 5s 15 2 8s 16 బట్ 31 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి 8 3 వేసుకున్నాం. 8 5s 40 ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది. సో 4 6 4 5s 20 6 2s 12 6 4 6 5s 30 and 8 correct. Okay, 6 by 2 minus 4 by 5. Okay, now here minus 0.5 minus 0.7 28 కదా, 2 అంటే 0.75. here directly minus 3, here minus 0.5 40 కదా. Okay, now see minus 0.5 both are greater, so x is greater than y. Okay, see initially itla don't find difficult. Okay, when you are solving with practice you will get to know. Okay, next x cube equal to y plus 239. So first we will solve y factor and then we will substitute in this. Okay, positive kabatti minus వస్తుంది. See if number in 3 digit, try to take LCM. Okay, mostly it will be equal, you know. For example, see this is correctly square, you know. Whenever we see this number we will get to know that 529 is 23 square. Okay, 23 plus 23, I mean 23 square means 23 into 23, 23 plus 23 46. So here we can directly say that it is minus 23 because both positive. But sometimes if it is not perfect square or perfect cube, you need to take the LCM. Okay, mostly it will be of, it depends, you know, based on this middle number we can take the factors. Okay, I mean roots, whatever it is. So here minus 23. Now we will substitute in x cube equal to minus 23 plus 239, that is 216. So x cube equal to 216 means here cube onto always positive, 216 means plus 6. So plus 6, here minus 23. So x is greater than y. Okay, next 2 1 2 3 1 3, 2 1s are 3, 3 5 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి 3 1 3 2s are 6 1 1 1. So minus 3 minus 1 by 2 means 0.5. If it is simpler, directly write the fraction again, no, I mean decimal way. Again don't write fraction 1 by 2 and then 0.5. Okay, 4 2 2s are 4, 15 3 5s are 3 2 6 5 10 16. Okay, minus 3 by 2 1.5, 5 by 2 2.5, both minus kada. So minus 3 less but 0.5, so cannot be determined. Okay, next minus plus means both positive symbols. Okay, 2 1 and 2 3 3 and 1, 3 2 6 again 1 7 కాబట్టి ఏమొస్తుంది ప్లస్ 3 ప్లస్ 0.5. నెక్స్ట్ y వచ్చేసరికి 2 1 by 2 4 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 6 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి 4 1 పెడతాను. 4 2s are 8 again 1. So plus 4 plus 0.4. So what you will get is 3 is less but greater than this. So 4 is greater than these two, but here less, so cannot be determined. Okay, mostly you will see if it is 5 questions, 2 questions will be of cannot be determined mostly. I mean, you know, E option will be there kada, x equal to y or cannot be, no relation. Okay, but mostly when I, you know, solve this previous year's question, mostly cannot be determined questions only I have come to see. Okay, next 2 1 2 56 అంటే 7 8s 56, 7 2s 14, 14 plus 8 22 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి లేదు. 8 7 8 2s 16, 16 plus 7 23, positive both minus signs, minus 8 7 by 2 అంటే minus 3.5. Okay, only one step. Okay, this also sometimes in mind you can calculate. Okay, hardly it will take 15 to 20 seconds అంటే ఇంకా మీ స్పీడ్ how much fast you can write on the paper అనేది. But don't write clumsy again and don't get confused. Okay, 20 21 41 కాబట్టి మైనస్ 5/3 మైనస్ 7/4. ఓకే, 5/3 అంటే మైనస్ 3 to 1.26 మైనస్ 4 2 0 1 కదా, 3 4 7 28 minus minus, so both, so x is less than y. Next again both positive signs, 9 3 3s are 9 వస్తుందా, 2 11s are 3 2 6 33 1 9 9 2s are 18 18 plus 1 11, so plus 2 plus 11/9. Next 2 1 2 36 అంటే 4 9s వస్తుంది, 36 సింప్లర్ టర్మ్స్. మళ్ళీ 2 18s డబల్ డిజిట్కి డోంట్ గో, ట్రై టు టేక్ ఇన్ సింప్లర్ టర్మ్స్. 4 2s 8 8 plus 9 17. ఓకే, బోత్ పాజిటివ్ సైన్స్ కదా, +4 plus 9/20 plus 4.5. హియర్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే 1.2 కదా, అగైన్ 1.1 అట్లా వస్తుంది, బోత్ పాజిటివ్ బట్ బోత్ ఆర్ లెస్ దెన్, సో ఎక్స్ లెస్ దెన్ వై. Next see again both negative cannot be determined, no need to write anamata. When constant both are negative cannot be determined. Okay, now minus minus ante, see here you need to be careful. Minus minus means roots have already said that plus or minus. Okay, so whichever is number you need to middle number you need to subtract, so that you should get that middle number, and whichever number is big that you have to add first, first write first. Okay, now I will show. 8 means 2 4s 8, 35, 5 7s are 35. Now 5 4s 20, 2 7s are 14. Since opposite signs you need to minus, okay, don't add, so you are getting 6 value. Okay, and remaining all same, like 5/2 and 7/4. Now whichever number is big that you need to write first, and then smaller one you need to write second. Okay, 2.5, 4 1s are 4, మన 3 మిగులుతుంది కదా, 4 7s are 28, so plus 2.5 minus 1.7, whatever the number is big you need to keep, because plus minus కాబట్టి. Okay, even if you do in traditional way you will get the same answer. So x is plus 2.5 minus 1.7. now here y is both negative only, 4 2 2s 49, 7 7s కదా, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 28, so minus 7/2 7/20 minus 3.5. Okay, but here 2.5 is greater, plus minus also greater, so x is greater than y. Okay, next this is another same, both easy, both are constant are positive, and whichever factor has negative that is greater. Here y has negative, so x is less than y. Okay, so these are the important 15 questions. I hope if you remember those tricks and the tips you can easily solve. Okay, see, now I took this much time, almost 15 questions. If I remove the first 10 minutes introduction part, it took 20 minutes while explaining to you, but believe me, these 15 questions you can solve in 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, that too with accuracy, no need to compromise. Okay, no need to fear about accuracy. Definitely 10 to 15 seconds you will solve. Okay, but if you solve in traditional method, or again if you take LCM and all, it will take. Only thing is when you get like triple digit numbers, those LCMs are very important. Okay, generally sometimes you will get higher numbers, that also I will show, because these questions I have not picked randomly, these are also previous year's questions only, but those questions also, higher numbers also I will solve in future parts. And this is for now, hope it will be useful for you. Okay, practice number of quadratic equations, so that when you write the full length mock test, these parts, that is approximation and now quadratic equation, will take as much less time as possible with 100% accuracy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Happy learning.